kayo cherry blossom. Perlok. From Manipur, he's very famous from Manipur, and I used to watch him his video. And your name was?
Song Hashim.
Song Hashim.
Nice
Yes.
to meet you guys.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
And I used to watch his video.
Thank you.
And I
Good
subscribe
place,
boss. I have subscribed you guys.
Where is the slap now? Now it's so focused. No slaps.
Te perkat pi lada katu ka de ta stage ki baret. Te pila ban antar try baga stage ka bahe kan long kumna.
1, 2, 3, you got the night.
Halo pura-pura kumna film tengah kermen mafia dan kemet ka basai ka baklan. Te perlok menta katsan terik na jung November arajan opsan tengah mudban lek siapa Baran Pulu siapa Cherry Blossom Festival perlok. Te mudban lek kita te indang dar nah ajan mau lat mau orang ngilak don ajan ulat mau orang te kameramen ulah erapnya apa dong. Te ajan lat mau orang te menta nyebut ban lek siapa mulai dia kader nam mulai ke niat sa syah puluh try dengan seperti ini dengan kadang padune we perlu jonga ne kameramen mau minta kasih debat ini we perlu ru bai bamud lech tisha mulai badai nampak nostalgia teh kita perlu seperti ini update try ngampat Julai mereka festival ka festival ngamti mereka longkumna nomor bangan ang first time ru sipo Cherry Blossom tetap perlu kan saya pengingai film mah blessing no dos pat ukit kapla tik kum tu ba let travel ai kayo Cherry Blossom kelas dang de mentah nyidang don hang de apa mulai you bos mulai ya so nyintip bahkan tiga mulai you tambah ka mulai pom idon hang de mulai pom mulai hajan ka mulai pun muri de mentah mereka balik sesir bosom de ani jing blok de kan pedi di ka jing blok mentah Kucing đen về blue lay yeah. Saya perlu kena ke linti ta.
Ni mentang ya lech.
Oh, mentang ya lech. Kena hi ke linti.
Banyaj.
Banyaj. Perlu tek ti ke baik ni lakbu ang teh 10 baru ne udus. Tek kuda sibon dus bakila peniak mo. Ke parking ni tek une bos ru. Hai bos. मैं वीडियो में बोल रहा हूँ कि आपने आपके साथ माइक के साथ
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
अच्छा लगा बॉस से मिलके This is it guys. Boss. Memang lakuin bos cakap. Okay. Enjoy man. Perlok. Bet kena. Guys, kita enjoy man.
Ella.
Guys, kita cek kena ban. Di orang sana. Di bandang tambah une uban juga pada melong syuk. Melong syuk nomor ulah stok hang ne. Kayo ada urung ping, abog da urung ping. Ne. Yes, sanju pada blue. Tapi fair mo ngini ya lang mo bro. Guys, ketiga. Bos. Awan nih kan. Bro, rentok ayam yang Hey guys, minta gilawan boy yang kena cakap. try gidon ki parlo ru ba don nak tay. Oh yeah, from Manipur. He's very famous from Manipur, and I used to watch him his video, and I didn't expect that I got to meet him. And he is your name was
Songashim.
Songashim.
Nice
Yes.
to meet you guys.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
And I used to watch his video.
Thank you.
And I subscribe you, boss. I subscribe you, boss. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
All right, where is the slap?
Go!
Where is the slap now? Now it's so focused. No slaps. Ready? Okay, ready. Okay. Wow. Only one hand. Only one hand. Let's go. Hold it. What a strong man. Look the movement. Oh, still here. Look at him. Wow, amazing. That's what I say. Giant of power. Giant of blood. They don't give up easily. They don't. All right, we're going suki suki, as we say
The host guy.
here in Shillong.
Baduk mentai dia lah host guy.
Okay.
From Finland. Finland.
Very focused. I
Shayo,
can see
shayo.
very focused face.
Oh, Baduk.
Try again, Ma. Let's do it.
Dito. What famous eh? Kira-kira. Guys, baik kini abad ki cars, baik ki Land Cruiser, ki Wildfire, ki Camry, ka Fortuner, ka Hilux, ka Hilux, ka Innova, ki Land Cruiser, ka Tysor, ka Tysor, pat kawan ka Glanda, Dek kuat pat pun yang merai, ka Hyder, Urban Cruiser, Urban Hyder, dan ada company juga Toyota. Scan le bro. Okay guys, we lah confirm ba im dere ki fake tickets. We upload fake tickets.
Yo, Shamin.
Okay, yang inlet nak sa main stage. Itu mana kidang dei taki stage ki baret. Te perkat pi lada katu ka dei taki stage ki baret. Te pila ban antar try baga stage ka bahe kan long kumna. Te lada pa ban te soba ban page ka video kam se kaman jong kan ne. Guys, I'm super excited. First time for me. First time for me, and I'm very lucky to I get to know boss. He's from Tripura. Yes, he's from Tripura, and I'm very thankful to him that he like guided me because he last year you go Cherry Blossom. Yeah, he go to Cherry Blossom, and now he guided me that where place we should go. So ko iro ngayo kundo padu aki te kamba i dang host te ngala ong i in na po Instagram te ngam tipsu bagi yolan yang yolan banyak keren te ada yolan pat te ngin kami stage pat kada yang te utai guys we perform isang di Banuan bat ka day 1 rei ngampoy pat ka day 1 rei ngampoy no para ka final day yang dapat security gidan kihapan check nomor ba jadi Angin kadang kecil checking. Dan kami dapat selamat untuk semua. Jal. Ini guys, coba kalau yuk. Yang lagi show kumno. Go enjoy them. Hang teh kami stationer.
Thank you so much. Let me see those peace signs in the air once. I'm just getting a photo real quick. My first time out here in Shillong.
Hey guys, kita ngelawan Thai. Kita ngelawan Thai. Shot ha. Lại shot ha. Lại yuk ha. Buan Taigaru menel perform ha, di peluru perform ha. Babun DJ. Gak perform baru di DJ Zetan senior.
Thanks. Love you. Forever.